This is a one-bed one-bath located in the Bayfield Tower at 430 Hanmer Street West. Starting at the entrance, there is a bathroom on the immediate right. Just prior to the bathroom, there is a closet on the left and right. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, shower and bathtub. The vanity features 2 cupboards below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Directly ahead of the entrance is the kitchen and living room. Throughout the suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. On the immediate left is the kitchen. The galley kitchen with a peninsula includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, stone countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. The kitchen flows into the living room in an open concept design. On the back wall, there is a glass window with a glass door on the right that leads onto a balcony. Both the door and window have rolling shades. Rightwards of the living room is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large glass window with a rolling shade on the back left wall. On the immediate right is a large mirrored sliding door closet.